City to Shore Real Estate is based on the principle that building lasting relationships with their clients is more important than personal short-term gain.
Our vision is to grow a global real estate company known best for nurturing agents and employees to be successful
while being an integral contributing factor in their communities.
In achieving this, we strive to
create satisfied customers by placing their need before our own.
Create environments in which people can thrive and operate with integrity,
while making a solid impact in the communities of its stakeholders.
Build goodwill and trust.
Show appreciation by creating atmospheres that are joyful,
rewarding,
encouraging,
fun,
and irresistible.
Provide opportunities for people to grow beyond what they ever thought they could do.
Taking ordinary people and making them extraordinary.
Provide a support structure to help people maximize their income.
And grow long-term revenue streams while allowing them to enrich their lives.
Creating top-notch agents by providing assistance, systems, and tools so agents can concentrate on profitable activities.
Above all, we are committed to building a company that inspires people to live ethically and honorably in the communities in which they live and serve.
And by doing so, City to Shore Real Estate will become the most recognizable and sought-after real estate company in the world.
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 In the world!